Okay, in this quick little video I'm going to show you how I keep my garden railway track clean. Now, you can spend loads of money, you can buy loads of different things, but I'm going to show you a quick, easy and cheap way that I keep my track clean. Now this can be used on any scales. I'm using it on O gauge because it's in the garden. I use the same method on my double O, which is indoors. You can use it on any rail, any scale, anywhere. So I'll quickly show you what I'm going to use. This is just a bog standard Pico track rubber. You can pick these up for about £3–4. Don't break the bank, they last forever and they do a really good job. I've got a little tub of isopropanol alcohol. It's 99.9% in strength, and I recommend that to use for track cleaning. You can use other products like Goo Gone and other things like that, but I find isopropanol works really well, and you can buy a big 5 litre bottle of it and it costs about £10. Obviously it's high strength alcohol, it shouldn't be used by children, it should be kept in a safe place, but I won't go to the ins and outs of isopropanol, but just for this video that's what I use. I've got a little pipette and I've got this, it's by Poses, and it's just a little plastic handle, and it's got a little felt pad on the end. So put simply, all I'll do is drop a drop of isopropanol onto that and then just rub it across the top of the tracks. Like I say, this you can go around your layout in minutes doing this. It works really well, and I'll show you how I do it. Right, let's go. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is just look at your ballast, look at your track and just clear any debris. So as you can see, obviously it being in the garden, I just get random things blowing on the line and stuff. Right, so just chuck them. Next thing I do, very simply, just get my track rubber. This is a double O gauge one on O gauge, that's why it looks quite small. And I just press both fingers, one on each side of the rail. And I just press down quite hard, just rub up and down along the track, like that. Make sure you press nice and firm, and let the train go through. Yep, you press down nice and firm, and you do that all the way down the length of the track. Now, I don't know how well you can see this on the camera, but hopefully there's more of a shine to that rail now. If I show you the track rubber, there you go, you can see all the dirt that I've just picked off. Next thing I do, just for sake, I just check the finger and see how clean the track is. Now that is actually really clean, so I shouldn't have to do too much to it. But because it's in the garden, I like to make sure I do it anyway. So what I do is I get this, pick some up, squirt it on. You could just dip it in if you wanted to, it'd be easier. But I just like to do that because then I just don't use as much. Then I just rub that up and down the top of the rail, just like that. Press nice and firmly, and what you'll notice is when you first put it on you might have to press quite hard, and then once you've done it a couple of times it goes silky smooth, and that rail now is really smooth and really clean. You can't feel any dirt. If you check your finger, absolutely nothing. There you go, and then bob it on again, like so, and just keep going, like so. And that is my very easy and very quick and very cheap way to clean and track. This is a tried and tested method. As you can see, this is my main running line, and the train, as you've just seen, it goes thundering by, not a problem. Obviously, with it being in the garden, it is crucial that you have clean track. So it's quite important that you do this. When it's indoors, maybe not as much. So I hope this helped. If you've got any questions, any tips, pop them in the comments. I'll always try and reply to you. Thank you very much for watching and enjoy your day.